Hello everyone. Can you see it? It looks like a castle, right? But some formations of the clouds, it looks like scary or spooky. But still, very seldom na makikita mo rin tong ganitong mga formation ng clouds. So those formation of the clouds, nagbabadya na darating na si Elsa. Kilala niyo ba sino si Elsa? Of course, you know her. So, fall time is almost done. Ano ba ang susunod doon? Of course, it's winter time. So, expected naman namin na magkaroon na kami ng snow this week. Pero, syempre, hindi pa kami ready para doon. Kasi napaka-short lang ng summer namin. Ano naman ang magagawa namin, 'di ba? So, maging ready na lang. Ilabas na ang mga weapons para magamit pagdating ng snow. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Kahit saan dako ka o nasa Pilipinas ka man o nasa ibang bansa ka pa rin o kahit saan ng lugar, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga storm, kaya lagi tayong handa. Alam mo ba yon? Lagi natin paghandaan yung ganung mga sakuna. Kasi hindi natin na-predict. At sinasabing unpredictable nga ang ating Mother Nature. Kaya be ready folks at laging handa. Girl Scout, Boy Scout, so whatever. Be ready. Thank you for watching my video and please don't forget to like my videos and please subscribe my channel and do some comments below, but do it friendly and nicely. See you next time guys. Thank you. Bye for now.